If you're seeing Epic Games error code E10-0, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can often get you back on track fast. This error usually shows up when a download or connection is getting interrupted, and the good news is that the solution is often really simple. We'll go step by step and I'll show you exactly what to do so you can try the most effective fix first. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. First, completely close the Epic Games launcher. Make sure it is fully shut down and not still running in the background. On Windows, you can check the system tray or even use Task Manager if needed. Once the launcher is closed, the next thing to do is restart your internet connection. This can help refresh your network and clear temporary connection issues that may be causing the error. You can do this by turning off your router, waiting a few seconds and turning it back on, or by disconnecting and reconnecting your network if you're on Wi-Fi. After your internet is back online and stable, reopen the Epic Games launcher. Now go to your library and look for the game or download that was giving you the error. Instead of starting completely over, choose Resume Download. This is an important step because sometimes the launcher just needs a fresh connection and a quick resume to continue properly. If you're using a VPN, make sure to turn it off before trying again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games downloads, region checks, or connection stability, which can trigger error code E10-0. Disabling it removes one more possible cause, and it often makes the download process much smoother. Now try the download again and watch to see if it continues normally. In many cases, this simple sequence, closing the launcher, restarting your internet, resuming the download, and turning VPN off, is enough to fix the issue. If it still doesn't work, repeat the steps one more time carefully, making sure your connection is stable and the launcher is fully restarted. And that's it. A quick and easy way to troubleshoot Epic Games error code E10-0. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.